Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your HP Envy Photo 7975 all-in-one printer step by step. By the end of this video, your printer will be fully ready to print, scan, and copy. So let's get started. Step 1. First, remove the printer from the box carefully. Now remove all packing materials, all protective tape, and all plastic covers from the printer. Next, open the front door. Then, open the cartridge access door inside. Remove the cardboard protection from inside the printer. After removing everything, close both doors properly. Step 2. Now, pull out the main paper tray. Remove the cardboard placed inside the tray. After removing it, slide the tray back into the printer. Step 3. Now, connect the power cable to the printer. Plug the other end into a wall outlet. The printer will automatically turn on. On the printer screen, select your preferred language, then select your country or region. Follow the instructions shown on the display. Step 4. Next, install the HP Smart app on your device. You can install it on Android phone, iPhone, Windows computer, Mac computer. Simply open your browser and go to hp.com/start/install. Download and install the HP Smart app. Then open the app and tap Set up a new printer. Step 5. Make sure your printer is turned on. Also, make sure your phone or computer is connected to Wi-Fi. Now, open the HP Smart app. The app will automatically detect your printer. Follow the instructions on the screen to connect your printer to your wireless network. Once connected, your printer is ready for the next step. Step 6. Open the front door again. Then, open the cartridge access door. Wait until the cartridge holder moves to the center. Now, remove the ink cartridges from their packaging. Insert the color cartridge into the color slot. Insert the black cartridge into the black slot. Push each cartridge gently until it clicks into place. Close the cartridge access door. Then, close the front door. The printer will begin cartridge alignment automatically. Step 7. Pull out the main paper tray again. Slide the paper width guides outward. Insert a stack of plain white paper into the tray. Adjust the guides so they touch the edges of the paper. Now, slide the tray back into the printer. Step 8. After installing cartridges and loading paper, the printer may print an alignment page. Follow the instructions shown on the printer screen or in the HP Smart app. This ensures the best print quality. Your printer setup is now complete. And now, print a test page. Open the HP Smart app, select your printer, tap Print Documents or Print Photos. Print a test page to confirm everything is working correctly. And that's it. Your HP Envy Photo 7975 all-in-one printer is now successfully set up and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup tutorials. If you need any help with installation, Wi-Fi connection, driver setup, or troubleshooting, to contact our support team. Our experts are ready to help you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.